Having trouble accessing your Coinbase account? Here's how to fix it. First, open the Coinbase app. If your account is locked, you'll see a message saying, "Sorry, your account is locked." Tap on "Having trouble signing in?" Select Verify Identity to start the unlocking process. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload your government-issued ID and complete facial verification. Next, you may see a message saying your account is restricted to withdrawals only. This is normal while Coinbase reviews your updated information. Tap Verify Info to continue. Review and confirm your personal details. The verification process usually takes less than 5 minutes for most users. Once approved, your account will be fully unlocked and you can resume normal activity. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. All affiliate links and resources are in the description below.